In this video, I'll show you how you can connect our wired headphones to your PlayStation Portal. Now, all you have to do is locate the 3mm jack on the PS Portal, and it's usually located next to the charging port. So here it is. So all you have to do is grab the wired headphones like so, and then insert this point to that particular hole on the PlayStation Portal. So simply find it and insert it. So here it is, and then insert it. Then once you insert it, you should see this icon appear indicating that you have successfully connected your wired headphones to your PlayStation Portal. So now the audio will be audible on these headphones or the wired headphones. So thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.